Healthy eating tips during pregnancy. Here are a few tips for healthy eating during pregnancy. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables to get a range of nutrients. Choose whole grains like oatmeal, whole wheat bread, and brown rice. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and beans. Incorporate low-fat dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. Limit caffeine to 200 mg per day, about 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. Take a prenatal vitamin to ensure you're getting enough folic acid, iron, and other important nutrients. Limit processed and packaged foods. Choose healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Avoid raw or undercooked meat, fish, and eggs. Eat foods that are high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers, to help your body absorb iron. Cook meats and eggs thoroughly to kill bacteria. Avoid fish with high levels of mercury, like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish. Opt for fish low in mercury, such as salmon, shrimp, and canned light tuna. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating. Use proper food handling and storage techniques to prevent contamination. Eat small, frequent meals throughout the day to prevent nausea and heartburn. Snack on healthy options like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Avoid processed snacks like chips and cookies. Choose low-sodium options when possible. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats. Avoid artificial sweeteners like saccharin and aspartame. Don't skip meals or restrict your calorie intake. Listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Be mindful of your portion sizes. Incorporate gentle exercise into your routine with your doctor's approval. Avoid foods that cause discomfort or heartburn. Get enough sleep to help regulate your appetite. Stay active with safe exercises like walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga to help maintain a healthy weight. Talk to your healthcare provider about any dietary concerns or questions you may have. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.